Magandang umaga, namaste, at eto nga, may bisita ako ngayon.
Hola, amigas from Spain! Welcome, Ate Lori!
May pa ganon?
Yes! From Spain! And also Rona is in the house!
At ngayong araw nga ang aming pinakahihintay, dumating si Ate Lori. Si Ate Lori ang aming nanay-nanayan dito sa India, kung saan siya yung founder ng kapisanan ng mga Pinay na may asawang Indiano. Kahit di man Indiano ang kanyang asawa, sobrang niyang mahal na mahal niya itong grupo na to. At sobra ang pagpapahalaga niya nito, higit pa sa totoong nanay namin. Kaya napaka swerte namin sa iyo, Ate Lori. At yan sila ni Elsa, parang di mapaghiwalay, pati na rin si Tita Rona. Parang kailan lang, parang kahapon lang ang huli naming pagkikita. Kaya eto, party na!
For Kuya!
Sir, bro.
This is for you!
We love you. We
Love
miss
you,
you.
sir!
Cheers.
Cheers, Kuya!
We are Filipina, of course. Di mawawala ang video, okay?
Higit na, binibitawan sa paglalakbay. Sa mundo ng ulan, huwag mong sabihin nag-isa ka. Laging isipin may makakasama. Narito ako, narito ako. Alright, this is a challenge.
May
If,
ano, ha?
If the karaoke will understand what I'm saying. Okay. Okay. You to me are everything karaoke.
Got it. Here are some videos.
YouTube career ako!
To me are everything karaoke.
Got it. Here are some videos.
Okay, no? Ayan mo, champion na. You know you got the best of me. Come on and take the rest of me, baby. Oh, you to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing. Oh, every night. Oh, every night. You, I guess I'm just a man who picks you up each time you down, oh, baby. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing, oh, baby. Oh, baby. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing, oh, baby. Oh, baby. You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing, oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, thank you so much. A stranger into my eyes, drowning the pain with his finger one time, singing my life with his words two times, feeling me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Show me how you want to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know that I'll be there. I'll be there for you. To look like you since I don't know where. So I made up my mind, give myself to an end. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Mamma Mia!
Here I go again. Why, how can I resist you? Mamma mia. the show again. My, how could I miss you? Never broken hearted. Why did I ever let you go, Mamma Mia? Now I really know. My, I could never let you go.
At eto na yung team song na Maglola. Thank you, Ate Lori, for being Lola to Elsa. Miss na nga talaga ang Lola niya. Ay, baka mayak naman ako. I miss you, Mama.
I've been waiting for you.
You've been waiting for Ate Lori.
Sino ate?
Lola, Lori. Nagpapanak ko pa sila.
I did walk away, and you stay there. When the break of me, you tell me you like me. You're all that I've been yearning for. I love you, I adore you. I live my life before you. I only want you more and more. We love you. Welcome home, Ate Lori from Spain. We love you from Latina.
At dito po nagtatapos ang aming masayang kulitan. Hanggang sa muli. Ingat!